Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 4 potential altcoins to buy for the month of May. Now, before we get into that, we're going to be looking at the current market in the past 24 hours. The market is down about 2.7%, and then we have the top gainers, so Polygon. If you guys missed yesterday's video, we discussed Polygon, and also the day before, we also discussed Polygon's price action. And if you would have bought in, during our video that we posted on, I believe either Sunday or Monday, you would have made some serious gains on Polygon as it's been booming higher and higher. It's up over 35% just in the past 24 hours. Bitcoin down about 8% in the past 24 hours, currently trading at around $41,000. Ethereum is down about 2.5%, so doing a bit better than Bitcoin, trading at around 3,200. Then we have Binance down about 5%. Dogecoin is even down about 7%, trading at around 46 cents. But Dogecoin has been trading sideways and staying pretty flat for the past few days. So this, little decline is actually not surprising to me. Cardano's even down about 6% or so, trading at around under $2 right now. We have Ripple right here up about 3.7%. So we have a green one. Meanwhile, we have, ICP right here, Internet Computer. This one is down almost 20%. So this is a huge downtrend for that one. Then we have some green ones here. Chainlink up about 6%. Then we have Solana. So Solana is one that we had in our video yesterday as well. And it's up about 13.5% since that video was uploaded. And then obviously we have a few more that are in the green. But guys, now we're going to be getting into this countdown. But before we get into it, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 300 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. As always, if you guys want to sign up and get your 2 free stocks from Webull, links are going to be in the description for that. They're going to be valued up to $1,800. Leave a comment below letting me know what cryptocurrency you're looking at right now in this market. The first coin on our list is going to be Cosmos, aka Atoms. So we've discussed this one in the past, and it's currently trading pretty flat in the past 24 hours. It is at right now at $21.90. Market cap on this coin is around 4.6 billion. The volume in the past 24 hours at around 607 million. Now in the past week, this one's down 18%. So this is where we, have to take a pretty much a look at these coins and see, is this a buying opportunity or not for it right now? I mean, if a coin's down about 18 or 19% in a week, does that mean that there's some buying potential? Yeah, of course. I think there's definitely buying potential as it's pulled back down, which is a positive sign. Now, on the 1 month chart right here, it's pretty much flat as well. It's only up 2%. So it has gone up, but it's also pulled back down as, the market has gone up and down as well with it. Now, we did see it go highs up here of about $32 per coin, which is, since that point, it lost about 35% of its value almost compared to these, other coins. That's a huge move right there just in the past few days. Now, on the 1 year chart, this coin's still up over 737%. Massive gains as the coin was trading at around $2.65 last year. And like we said, it hit highs here of over $30 per coin. Now, on the all-time chart, only up about 456% compared to these other altcoins that we see going up hundreds of percents in a matter of a month or so. This coin is lagging behind, and that's exactly why we have, Cosmos on our list for potential opportunities in the, future, as the market cap is very low. So this one could easily do a 10x, 20x in the future years, depending on, what else Cosmos can do for us and how it's going to get affected by the rest of the crypto market. But that's definitely something that we're going to be looking at and to see what happens with it. Next up on the list is going to be another one that we've discussed probably a month ago. It's been a long time since we talked about this one. It's going to be Sushi Swap, ticker symbol Sushi. So this one is trading at around $20.40. This one's actually up 24.4% in the past 24 hours. Market cap on this coin is around 2.6 billion, with the volume in the past 24 hours at around 2.1 billion. Now the circulating supply is around 127.2 million coins. Like we said, this one is up about 24%. In the past week, up about 47%. When you compare that to the rest of the market as it's been selling off, this is a great sign to see this one continue this breakout. Now on the 1 month chart, about 27%, and then on the 1 year chart, about 500%. So this coin was trading down here in about $1 range or so at one point. Now in the all-time, obviously, as you see, it came out last August or so in 2020, and since then the coins went from $3 all the way to about $20. Hit highs here, probably a little bit higher, about $23, $24 as well. So this one has been fluctuating up and down in the past few, months or so. But it's definitely started to boom in 2021 as it started to get this uptrend, as we saw the large cap coin and mid cap coins continue to go higher. Then we saw the, mid cap and the low cap coins follow suit as well. And right now we're seeing a lot of these altcoins that are booming. while Bitcoin and some of the bigger cap coins are pulling back significantly, 10, 15, 20, 25% or so in the past month. So definitely something that we're going to be keeping a close eye on, see how these altcoins perform in the future weeks to come ahead of us. And then the third coin on our list is going to be Chainlink, LINK. So we've definitely discussed this one. We love Chainlink on the channel. This one is doing great right now, up about 6%. Currently trading just under $41 per coin. The market cap for Chainlink right now is at around 17.5 billion, with the volume in the past 24 hours right under 3 billion coins, with the circulating supply at around 626.5 million coins. In the past week, this one's down about 16%, so another dip buying opportunity. It hit lows down here of about $35 or so. Good dip buying opportunity to ride that wave back on up. Now it did hit highs here of almost $50 per coin, so it still has a decent upside, as it is down about 20% from that high that we saw, and it was down even more than 20%, close to 25-30% from the lows that we saw just a day ago, about 24 hours ago. Now in the past month, this one has been trading sideways and pretty much flat, only up about 4%, so it hasn't made a crazy move, but 4% is still great compared to some of these other things that we can invest in, like the stock market. 4% move in the stock market, that's a pretty healthy move actually, as the stock market is averaged at around 8 to 10% depending on the year. So this is about half of that just in about a month or so. So on the 1 year chart, this one's up about 935%. So to put that in perspective for you, if $1,000 would be valued at around $9,000 right now if you would invest it into Chainlink, pretty much a year ago, as it was trading around $4 or so. So it's made about 1,000% or a 10x opportunity we see in here in the past year. And then the all-time chart up almost 24,000%, which is just huge. This coin, 2017 down here, 0.1820, very, very cheap coin. Just imagine if you would have threw a few $100 into that. Just like we can say with Bitcoin as well. I mean, there were some people that bought very cheap, and look at Bitcoin now, it's booming. If you would have threw in $1,000, man, you'd be worth $500,000 right now. So there's always some great opportunities. You just have to catch them and be the first one on them and believe in yourself in the future. And of course, diamond hands, because you can just imagine buying here in 2017 of September. Then we see highs here, and then pretty much the crypto space kind of crashed and pulled back down. And then you've been just trading sideways or trading flat for the past 2 years. We see a little bit of a jump here. Oh, okay, it's jumping up. You might have sold, taken profits at $4, and then you just see here, boom, out of nowhere, it just starts to go higher and higher and higher. So diamond hands are the winners right there in the crypto space, at least in the past 4 or 5 years. The people that had diamond hands are the ones who made money, and the ones that had paper hands, well, they missed out on a lot of opportunities. So I feel bad for the people that did some paper handing, and the people who just missed out in general and weren't on the crypto hype train on the first time or the second time. Hopefully you get on the third time. And then, of course, number 4, we're going to have to talk about it, guys. Polygon MATIC. So definitely want to talk about it again, as we've talked about it 2 days in a row now. We definitely have to discuss it and see what is going on with Polygon, why it's moving so high. If you guys missed out on this one, stay subscribed to the channel. Smash that like button, guys, so we make more content like this. You definitely want to stay subscribed so you catch every banger on the channel. Up almost 30% in the past 24 hours. That, had a boom here from $2 to highs of over almost $3 or so, close to $3 at one point. Then we saw a pullback here and finding a new consolidation area. So this one, market cap 13.8 billion, volume 7.8 billion in the past 24 hours, with the circulating supply at around 6.1 billion coins, trading at $2.22. In the past week, 153%, guys. We talked about this coin when it was trading under $1. If you guys were, stayed tuned to this channel, it was trading under $1. We saw the dip here, close to about 93 cents or so. That's when we talked about it on our channel. If you would have bought it in that point right there, you'd be up close to 150% or so right now. Now in the 1 month chart, that was just a week ago. That happened a week ago actually right there. So that's just 1 week. If we look at the 1 month chart, this coin is up 446% in 1 month. So $1,000 would be worth around $4,400 right now. Massive gains. This coin was trading at as low as at around 32 cents, 33 cents, even lows of 29 cents. And that was pretty much 20 days ago. So in 20 days, you could have made 446%. That's something you do not see in the stock market. In the stock market, you might see, like I said, 10% on average. And if it's a good year, maybe 20 or 30%. But that is very rare. It depends on what stocks you're trading. But, 440% Wow, you know, some people would dream of that percentage right there. So this is huge. In the past year, over 10,000%. This coin was trading around 0.0260, very, very cheap. And you guys can see it's just been growing and growing, especially in the past month or so. Definitely an interesting coin. Now, right here, we see where will Musk's message take MATIC next. So as the world continues to shift away from its carbon-heavy ways of yesteryear, industries across the board are seeing how they can up efficiency, and blockchain innovators are coming up with new ways to scale efficiency in transactions to lower computing power. Polygon, a layer 2 scalability network, is doing just that. As a result of its impressive product, it is continuing to climb to new all-time highs and spurring some bullish Polygon price predictions. So Polygon exists as a way for users to escape the high gas fees that have been taken over Ethereum transactions. With Polygon, users can take transactions to side chains, effectively avoiding the fees while also needing much smaller computing energy. The result is a clean, cheap alternative chain which still bears the Ethereum, functionality. Now, the green coin has been seeing its upswing thanks to Elon Musk's anti-Bitcoin sentiment that we saw over the weekend, tweeting out a series of posts slamming Bitcoin's energy consumptions. Musk turned his back on BTC as a payment method for Tesla. The resultant arms race to be the next Tesla payment method led to an upswing in interest in the green coins. And if you guys missed our green coins, we talked about that on Saturday. So Polygon and Cardano were big winners, with both surging to all-time highs shortly after the tweet. And those are two coins that we've been talking about on this channel for the past few days, Polygon and Cardano. Cardano we've been talking for a long time, and Polygon for a few weeks at least. Definitely two great coins. But down here, Polygon price predictions continue as MATIC surges. So, as we see here, Coinpedia is suggesting that MATIC could hit the $5 milestone before 2021 is through. Digital Coin Price predicts that Polygon will grow much slower than that, reaching just around under $3 by the end of the year. Government Capital is forecasting a value of 420 and 12-month period 420. Meanwhile, Wallet Investor is very bullish on MATIC, envisioning a $5.13 price for Polygon in a year. I don't know how they get that price, $5.13. Where'd you get that 13 cents? Why didn't you just say $5.25 or $5? But anyways, $5.13 is their price target. So Polygon, definitely an interesting coin that you should be adding to your radar. We've been discussing it. Have you missed out on the gains or not? Leave a comment below. Let me know. Did you catch that bus? Did you catch that train? Did you make it to the moon or not on this Polygon move that we've seen the past week or so? All right, guys, now that we went over the 4 altcoins, we're going to be taking a look at the big boys. So obviously Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. What's going on with Bitcoin? Bitcoin's been on a trend on down pretty much since the beginning of Tuesday morning, and it's down about 5.5%. So it was at highs of about 46,000 almost. Now it's at around 41.6, and I think it might continue lower a little bit. I think we're going to see 30, like 30 something. We're going to see, even if it's 39,000, it's going to go into the 30s soon, which is something that we talked about in the previous video as well, that if Bitcoin goes into the 30s, we might see it get even to the mid 30s. And if it gets into the low 30s, that's when we start, worrying a little bit. Maybe we might see a crypto crash going on. So definitely something interesting right now. If Bitcoin goes under 30, I think that a lot of these other coins are going to start to crash hard, especially the ones that are up, hundreds and maybe even thousands of percents in the past year or so. And that could be a good buying opportunity in the future, obviously, once we see a flattening out and a uptrend. But that's something you have to keep an eye out on, obviously, as that could take some time to happen. But if Bitcoin starts to trend on lower, under the 30,000 area or so, I don't know how I feel about the confidence that I was in with the Bitcoin boom. So we might be getting out of this bull market soon and into a bear market. But obviously, that's just something we're going to have to keep an eye out on. I might be wrong and the market could continue to go higher, which is definitely a possibility. We might see Bitcoin start booming up after this little bit of a pullback. It might be a healthy pullback right now, and the whales might get in and we might see it boom on higher. Now, like we said, market cap 782 billion. We've seen what, 300 billion or so wiped out in a matter of days. I mean, this coin was trading at 58,000 just a week ago, and now it's at around 41,000, down about 26% in the past month, pretty much down 26% as well. And on the 1-year chart, only up 326% now. We've seen this, pattern right here, just going lower and lower. It broke through the support before, and now it's continued to go lower. So we might see 30,000, 35,000 or so in the near future on Bitcoin. Now Ethereum is down as well, about 2.5%. hit highs here about 3,500 out of the day, and then lows are about where we're at right now. So it's continuing to go down. Market cap 380 billion. So we've wiped out a decent chunk on there too, about 150 billion or so. In the past week, Ethereum's down 25%. That's a rare sign to see, as Ethereum was booming higher no matter what else that happened in the market with the other coins. So we hit highs here of close to 4,500, I believe, at one point. And now we've seen, a lot of that wiped out, pretty much about $1,500 of value per coin wiped out from Ethereum. Huge pullback, but obviously this is another healthy sign in my opinion, as Ethereum is still up on the 1 month chart about 46%, and in the 1 year 1,400%. So this is just a small pullback compared to what the bigger scale looks like. And I wouldn't be surprised to see Ethereum pull back down to about 2,500, maybe a little bit lower, get close to the support area that we've seen in the past, and maybe bounce off of it going into the summer and the rest of the year. So definitely one that I'm going to be keeping an eye out on, because Ethereum is one of our favorite coins on the channel. And then obviously we have Dogecoin. So Dogecoin was keeping steady, it was the meme coin. So it was trading steadily and keeping up with it. It wasn't doing too much, crazy stuff. But then we saw today down about 10%. Now it's at around 44 cents. And could this be the end, guys? Could this be where Dogecoin continues to go lower and lower and lower, and people think it's going to go higher, but it doesn't? And a lot of people are going to get stuck bag holding. So this could be a dangerous play right here going on. 57 billion market cap in the past week, pretty much down at 10%. So whatever went down today is what happened all week. It was trading flat before that. Now on the 1 month chart, still up 38%, but it did hit highs here of 73 cents, and now we see it at 44. It could pull back down all the way to about 35 cents or so in the next few weeks, in my opinion, if this pullback continues to happen in the crypto space. So we'll definitely have to keep an eye out on that and see what happens in the upcoming days. You guys let me know in the comments below. What do you think is going to happen in the crypto space? Are we seeing a huge pullback, a crypto crash, or is this just a little bit of a pullback and we're going to trend on higher? Obviously, I don't know, as I'm not a financial advisor. This is obviously all for educational purposes. So before investing into anything, especially crypto or stocks, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. You're trading at your own risk. So obviously, guys, if you enjoy this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 300 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel so you get notified every time we make a new video. Leave a comment below. What do you guys think is going on right now? If you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800. Links are going to be in the description for that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.